Hi everyone! In this tutorial by SecondLineThemes, we'll show you how to import your entire podcast to WordPress. The Podcast Importer plugin works best with our podcast WordPress themes, so make sure to check those out if you haven't already. First, let's go into the main Plugins screen and search for Podcast Importer Second Line. Once installed and activated, you'll be able to import your podcast through Tools and then Podcast Import Second Line. In the Importer screen, make sure to insert your podcast RSS feed URL. If you use multiple post types, you can select one for the importer to use. Next, select whether you'd like the posts to automatically publish or be saved as draft posts. You can also assign the author or user to be assigned with the imported posts and select a category for those posts. You can choose to import images or append the episode number to the episode title if possible. It's also possible to force the importer to use the embed post player from your podcast host, but it only works with a select number of hosts. One of the most important features of this plugin is the ability to import future podcast episodes automatically. So whenever a new episode is published outside of WordPress, it gets automatically imported and cross-posted to WordPress. Once you run the importer, you'll get a message and see how many episodes have been imported. If you've selected the Ongoing Import option, you'll see a list of all the feeds that automatically check for imports every hour. You can delete those scheduled imports if needed, or add multiple processes as well. You can now check your imported episodes and see how they are being displayed on your site. For optimal compatibility, use one of the podcast themes shown here and get more control on your podcast website.